In this lecture, I will walk through for installing .NET SDK 5.0. As I mentioned earlier, we are going to build a .NET application, and to do that, we need .NET software development kits to help us build and run our application. As I said last lecture that we are going to use latest .NET Core, that is .NET 5.0. So we need SDK 5.0, which is the latest version at this time. Now, if you plan to use Visual Studio for this course, you must install Visual Studio 2019 version 16.8 or newer than 16.8. The older version doesn't support SDK 5.0. You can see this information in the Microsoft OS site. What is the requirement for the SDK 5? Now, what you are going to need to do is download this for your particular operating system. It is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. If you are using 64-bit computer, obviously get the 64-bit version, and there is instructions for Linux or Mac as well. So please go ahead and download and install .NET 5, whatever the latest release will be fine for this course. So I'll work through for Windows machine. Now come to your browser and type .NET 5.0 SDK. Enter .NET-Microsoft.com, download .NET 5.0 website. You're gonna download the latest SDK 5.0 from here. As the current version is 5.0.2 and you can download either for Windows or Mac or Linux from here. I'll download and install for Windows 64-bit machine. Click the appropriate link. Now, if it is not started promptly, you may click on download manually link. Save the software somewhere in your machine. It may take a couple of minutes based on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, double click on the sdk.exe file. It will open up a window for installing the software. Now click on the install button and wait for completing the setup process. It may take a couple of minutes to complete the installation process again. Once the installation is done, you will get a successful message something like this. Now click close and you are done.